What's up, y'all? It's me and Tristan. We back with another video. So we are eating noodles again for the second time, bro. So it's
blue Gatorade.
with blue Gatorade. So it's gonna be the last one to drink Gatorade. Loses. So this is gonna be a great video. We might do another video of Takis. Probably Takis and hot Cheetos or something.
Or a mukbang.
Right, we're gonna do a mukbang tomorrow. We're gonna have mussel, shrimp, and snow crab legs. Yeah, so let's get into it. This nigga already started eating. Shit's probably cold. Oh, it's so hot. Damn. I just got that. Yeah,
I couldn't put it in my mouth.
I just got a big ass air lump. Alright, so what y'all trying to talk about, bro? We haven't posted in a bop.
Go you did.
I swear.
Open my Gatorade. Just to keep it ready.
Right, bro. I didn't even start eating yet, bro. Y'all see my big ass fork? Okay.
I wish I could hide my forehead or something. I hate how my forehead is made. It's so wide.
So, y'all remember back in the old videos, my room wasn't this good, but my room's upgraded now. So, it's like, what time is it?
11, sorry.
It's 11:30. We made a video at 11:30. We are fucking retarded. The hotness gonna keep in here.
Unless you
So y'all, good things happened today. Tristan came over.
this is what my father look like.
So Tristan came over. My godbrother and brother came over. I got a new dresser. I don't know why. My mom took my other dresser. I'm gonna beat her up. My sister finally left, and I got a new phone. Okay.
Same as me. I got a new phone too. I got the XR. Yeah, I remember I had the 7. I still got that, but I got 2 phones.
Okay, well, watch me eat.
This video like 2015. And
Shit.
he brought dirt bikes.
We got to put more in the video, bro. We need to eat. Ooh, that was hot. If you want to eat a passion, do it like this. I'm sure. See? Like this. God damn it.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it burns.
I got something good.
I didn't bring pants. It's because my mom was so pressed to put shorts in the bag. Like when I had my bag ready already, I have 4 pairs of shorts, 2 pants, and 9 pairs of socks.
Oh, yeah. My grandma called me. Yeah, Grandma. I'm back, bro. I done had some fucking business, bro. I'm sorry for cussing. I can't handle it, bro. I swear I can't handle that shit.
Remember, my mother called me.
Damn, bro. It's mother calling. What are you calling for?
Alright, Ma.
These what the noodles look like. I'm trying to spill the water now.
Yeah, I can see mine.
Shit. Oh, you man. You started before me. I got a little bit more than you. Oh, I got this.
I'm on 7. Zach, you better on 7.
Oh, what'd you call me for? Yeah.
That was not like it.
Yo, what did you calling me for, bro?
Who was it?
Kale. She going to school. Half my whole contacts is at my school.
That's how my contest is. Like, not medicine, like the one that I just talked to.
Shit.
The other medicine, Taraji. Them girls I talked to.
I swear I hate Taraji, bro.
They go to my school, they in 3rd grade. And they all like me, except for Taraji. I would never go out with her because she's ugly. Right. She's so ugly. I hate people that got
Let's
androids.
guard this nigga, bro. Oh, shit. What's up, Guardian?
You want to see my other one?
What?
Oh, one came off.
Oh, yeah, I got LED light. I'm here with Tristan, bro. We doing a YouTube video. Say hi to YouTube. Okay, I'll call you back, dummy. I saw that you hit SS1, bro. Alright,
What does SS1 mean?
it's 2K.
Oh.